Okay, student. Now we have taken the example, evaluate the determinant, how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So I am using the simplest way to explain the example. I am using the first row. So I know that my signs will be plus, minus, plus. So first element is A11 is 1, 1 into, let me insert the equation here. So 1 into, so it will take a little bit time. Okay. And let me copy this also. So 1 into, so first row and first column, if I exclude, my left out elements are 3, 0, 1, 0. These are the first elements. Then minus, what we can do is, let me in the brackets one, so it will be clear. Minus, second element is A12 element is 2, so 2 into, so 2 means first 1, 2. First row and second column, if I exclude, first row and second column, if I exclude, my left out elements are minus 1, 0, 4, and 0, right? So then third element will come as positive, and this will be 4. 4 into, I put the determinant number. So this is A13 element. A13 means first row and third column will be exclude. If I exclude first row and third column, my left out elements are minus 1, 3, 4, and 1. This is how you write the matrix of the determinant of a matrix. Please write, do mention here data of A equals to, do mention that one, data of A equals to this one. Now how do you simplify this one? Is equals to 1 into, instead of this one, let me take the equation only, so that minus 10 looks bigger. Yeah, 1 multiply with, I think you already know how to find this determinant. 3 into 0, 3 into 0, it is taking 3 into 0 minus 1 into 0, 1 into 0, then minus 2 into, second bracket I am moving, minus 2 into, minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0, I think 1 is missing here, minus 1 into 0, formula says negative sign, then you have 4 into 0, second number is multiplied. Now I know third one will be 4 into 4, let me put the bracket, 4 into, now minus 1 into 1 minus 3 into 4. Now be careful with the sign. Within the bracket, first 3 into 0 is multiplied, 3 into 0 minus, this minus is itself comes from the formula 1 into 0. Then here this minus 1 into 0 is not, this minus is not from the formula, because here I have minus 1 in this matrix, minus 1 into 0, and this minus is again from the formula 4 into 0 plus, here minus 1 into 1 diagonal element, minus 1 to 1, so this minus is from the number, minus this minus is from the formula 3 into 4. Instead of 3 here, for example, I have minus 3 here. What I have to do here, minus of minus 3. So I have to put negative sign of the number as well as the sign of the sign from the formula. Both the numbers I have to manage it. Then what you get here, equals to 3 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0, or if you want, let me put 1 into 0, then minus 2 into, minus 1 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into 0 is 0, so 0 minus 0 is again 0. Again 4 into, I forgot the plus sign here, plus 4 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. I am talking about this number. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So minus 12 minus 1 will be minus 13. So in the next class, you can go next step. 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0, 4 into minus 13 is minus 52. So this is the determinant of a given matrix. Okay. Okay. Now here go a little bit faster. I am solving the same question with the help of second row, using the second column. Sorry. Here we have done using the first row. How to find? Just I explain the same example how to find using the second column. As I said, second column, the numbers will come negative, positive, negative. So minus second column element is 2 into insert equation. This is taking time. Just let me copy now so that I don't need to insert again and again. Yeah. So this is 2. The corresponding row, corresponding column, if I exclude, I left with minus 1, 0, 4, then 0. Okay. So first number is minus, so second number has to be plus 3 into, so this is second row, second column operation, right? So I have taken 3 here. If I exclude corresponding row and corresponding column, that is second row and second column, if I remove, the left out elements are 1, 4, 4 and 0. Then I said third number will come again negative. Third number is coming in negative means what is the third number? 1 into control V. Yeah. So this is the third element, 1 I put here, that is third row, second column. If I exclude third row and second column, my left out elements are 1, 4, minus 1, 0. Understand? So now if I see here, what do you get? Again, let me go for equals to insert equation. So what do you get here? 2 brackets will be open, minus 1 into, let me copy this into symbol, minus 1 into 0 and minus of 4 into 0. That is the first symbol. This I think instead of 2, this has to be a minus 2. Okay. Then plus 3 into, then what do you get 3 into? Let me put a little bit faster. 1 multiplied by 0 minus 4 multiplied by 4. This is done. Next I have minus 1 bracket I insert. Okay. So 1 multiplied by 0 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1. Okay. So that's how you'll get it. Then what do you get? Minus, let me insert again equation so that negative sign looks bigger. Minus 2 into, what do you get? Let me see. Here minus 1 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0. So this is going to be a 0. Then plus 3 into, here if I multiply, I think here I'm making plus sign. 1 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. So this will be minus 16. Then I have minus 1, if I bracket. Now if I multiply the third one, 1 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So you have to be very careful this one. If I solve this one, you will get